classroom, lower level, central area of the building. Again, this is a tornado alert. Leave your classroom to the lower level, north central area of the building. Await further instructions.
Emergent weather message for the following county, Crawford County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for central Crawford County, Pennsylvania at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Meadville and moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Tornado on the ground south of Meadville. Rain-wrapped tornado. Locations impacted include main rural areas of southern Crawford County,